Okay, I'm going to go for the derivative first. It's not what they're asking me to do, but it can't hurt to do that. That's x to the minus 1/2, and that's going to be f prime of x would be minus 1/2. X, take 1 from minus 1/2, get minus 3/2. And it's going to be f prime of 9. That's minus 1/2. Now, let's just write this a little bit differently. This is going to be 1 over, let's see, the square root. Whoops, that's not the square root, is it? The square root of 9, and then I'm going to cube it. Let's see what you get there, minus 1/2. And what do you get there? Square root of 9 is 3. 3 cubed is 27. So what do you get? Minus 1 over 54. All right, now this one says, would I get credit in exam if I did that? No, you're not answering their question. But it should be minus 1 over 54, which I'm saying over there. How do I do that? Kind of like the old-fashioned way of using the definitions I like. But I want to do it the way a lot of teachers would do it. So I'm going to start to erase things. I don't need this anymore. I'll write down. So f prime of 9 is equal to the limit as x approaches 9, f of x, 1 over root x, minus that function of value at 9, which is 1 over 3, and then it's going to be x minus 9. I would multiply top by the conjugate. I keep saying conjugate, by the minor LCD. So 3 root x, 3 root x. All right, let's go through that. This is limit. X goes to 9. And what do you get on top? You would get 3 minus the root of x. What do you get on bottom? X minus 9. And then you get 3 root x. Well, I'm starting to realize I get a factor at the bottom now. So you get, I don't want to do conjugates. So it's going to be 3 minus root x. And the bottom factors to root x minus 3, root x plus 3, and then I get a 3 root x over here. All right, it's still problematic, isn't it? Let's keep moving. Limit, x goes to 9. I'm going to factor out a minus 1. That'll be root x minus 3. On the bottom, I'm going to write down 3 root x minus 3, root x plus 3. And what do I know about this? X is not 9, so root of x minus 3 is not 0, so these are going to disappear. And I think I'm ready to do the evaluation. You get minus 1 on top. You get 3 times, well, the square root of 9 is 3. And then what do you get? Square root of 9 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So what is it going to give you? 9 times 6, which is 54. Am I getting what I expected to get? I'm getting what I expected to get. You decide what you want to do, though. I mean, you might want to use the definition, f prime at a equals the limit as x approaches a of f of a. I'm sorry. I'm daydreaming. F of x minus f of a over x minus a. Or you may prefer that f prime of a is the limit, h goes to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a over h. Any definition you like. Whatever's working for you, that's what you should be using, by the way. Thank you.